What's up, guys? It's your boy Official Martino, and I have another video for you guys today. It's in regards to a deposit via Bitcoin using Cash App for Hugosway. First things first, you want to go to the dashboard, go to deposit, do deposit type as Bitcoin, do the currency, whatever currency you're using, and then put in the dollar amount of currency that you're going to be sending or you want to be deposited. So for me, in this case right here, I'm going to be using 70. So it'll be 70 US dollars. It's going to be purchased with the Bitcoin, and then from there transferred over into the wallet that it says to transfer over to. After hitting redirect, it'll take you to another page, which it'll show the Bitcoin address that you need to copy and then paste into Cash App in order to send to that particular wallet to credit you for that deposit that you're trying to make. I'm showing you right now how to purchase the Bitcoin and then copy the numbers at the top that you have available and then send that to the Bitcoin address that you copied or you're about to copy after you hit send. It'll ask you how fast you want to send it, priority or rush. I use priority to make sure that it gets there as soon as possible, so I'm not missing any moves. And then it'll show you that, it'll take from the amount you have in order to do the rush or whatever you ask for. And then right there, I'm just waiting for it to show that it's completed, and it shows completed, and it'll automatically kick you to the dashboard. And then I like to go to the internal transfer portion of everything to kind of sit there and wait for the balance to show. And then once it shows, I'll show you what to do from there. All right, as you can see, the deposit is now available. You're going to receive an email about that. Also be on the lookout for that email for you. And then as far as transferring it over, just go ahead and make sure you transfer it into the correct account so you're not in a bad situation. But other than that, that's pretty much it. That's pretty much as simple as it can get right there for the tutorial. If you enjoyed it, go ahead and leave a like, comment what you want to see more of. And thank you for watching, and subscribe for more.